Hi everyone. Hi Upender. Hi Manas. A very good evening. Hi Pallavi. Hi Nazia. Hi Aditya. Namaste. How are you all? कैसे हैं आप लोग? Hi Jishnu. I am all good, Manas. What about you? So कैसे हो सब लोग? I am all good, Upender. Hope you are also doing well. So hi everyone, this is your accounts master teacher MLA Sheetal Chaudhary. M for multi-talented, L for lion-hearted and A for ambitious. And I welcome all my lovely students to our channel Vedantu Commerce. मजे में नाजिया, एकदम मजे में आदित्य. गुड इवनिंग आयुषी एंड अनुराग. मस्त एकदम. ओके मन्नत. So guys, if you are new to our channel और अगर अभी तक आपने हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है, then please जल्दी से जाओ चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो. Go and hit that red icon for more such live classes. Also, अगर अभी तक आपने वीडियो को लाइक भी नहीं किया है, then please do show some love. Go and like the video. So do hit the like icon and do share it with your friends. So this is Udaan 2.0. This is class 11th accountancy session. And here you can see your schedule. You are having a 7 p.m. session with me for endorsement of bill. नहीं नीरज बेटा, मेंटी चैप्टर खत्म होने के बाद होती है. So, first we will discuss the homework of the previous class. Now, but before that, tell me how many of you have done the homework? किस किसने homework किया है? Have you guys done the homework? Manas, you have done it. Great. Jishnu, done. Well done. Pallavi. Well then Ayushi, Anurag. So it's good to see that many of you have done the homework. Okay. कैसा homework? आदित्य, हर क्लास के एंड में बेटा आपको एक क्वेश्चन दिया जाता है as your homework. In the previous class also I have given you one question as homework. So it's so good to see that बहुत लोगों ने homework किया है and therefore a huge round of applause for all of these students. Keep doing the homework because that will be giving you the more clarity of the concepts. तो चलिए अब देखते हैं कि क्या होमवर्क दिया था. जिनको नहीं पता, आदित्य जैसे बच्चों को नहीं पता क्या होमवर्क था, कैसा होमवर्क था, तो चलिए जो बच्चे सो रहे थे वो जग जाए. And this question was given as homework in the previous class. So I will be reading this and I will be solving it for you. So the question is, on 15th of January, Kartar sold goods for rupees 20,000 to Bhagwan. Kartar sold goods of 20,000 to Bhagwan. So we have to make the books of two parties. कितनी parties हैं बच्चों यहाँ पर? There are two parties. One is Kartar and the another one is Bhagwan. So on 15th of January, Kartar sold goods to Bhagwan. So entry will be Bhagwan account debit to sales 20,000 and Kartar is purchasing goods. So entry will be purchase account debit to Kartar 20,000. This is the first entry for purchase and sale. Coming on to the next one. Then it is said that he drew upon him two bills of exchange of 10,000 each. We are drawing two bills. So we will pass the journal entry for the bill drawn. Two bills are drawn. So the entry will be BR account debit to Bhagwan 10,000. This is first bill, and one more bill is drawn. BR account debit to Bhagwan 10,000, 10,000. So two bills are drawn. BR account debit to Bhagwan, to Bhagwan. And it is accepted by Bhagwan. Aditya, you are writing unnecessary messages in the chat box. I request you to please focus on the class. Otherwise, we have to block you. You are here to study, so please focus on the session. So, Bhagwan will accept the bill and the entry will be Kartar account debit to bills payable 10,000, 10,000. Then he will accept the another bill, Kartar account debit to bills payable 10,000 and 10,000. So this is the entry for second bill accepted. Now, these bills are payable after 1 month and 2 months respectively. The first bill is payable after 1 month. So, if you will add 1 month in 15th January, it will be 15th of February. Then we will add 3 days of grace. So it will be 18th of February. This is the due date of first bill. Then coming on to the second bill. Second bill is drawn on same date 15th of January, but it is drawn for 2 months. So when you will add 2 months in 15th January, it will be 15th of March. In 15th of March, you will add 3 days. So 15th of March plus 3 days, it will be 18th of March. So these are the due dates of the bill. Is it clear to everyone? Just give me a minute. Give me 1 second, guys. Yeah. So these are the due dates. Now, it is said that the first bill was retained by Kartar till its maturity. Balkaran, right now we are doing a question. I can't solve your doubt right now. Please ask your doubt at the end of the session. Okay, Balkaran? So, beta, the first bill is retained by Kartar till its maturity. So, let's pass the entry for the first bill. The first bill, the due date is 18th of February. So on 18th of February, Bhagwan will make the payment, bills payable account debit to cash or bank. Bhagwan will make the payment of 10,000 and Kartar will receive the payment. Kartar will receive it because the bill is retained by him. So cash account debit to BR 10,000, 10,000. So this is the first bill. Coming on to the second bill. The second bill was endorsed by him in the favor of creditor Ratna. So the second bill is endorsed to creditor Ratna. So we are assuming that the bill is endorsed on the same day 15th of January. हम यही मानेंगे कि उसने बिल एंडोर्स कब किया, on the same day 15th of January. So endorsee account debit, Ratna account debit to BR. And on this date, there will be no entry in the books of Bhagwan, in the books of Droy. When Kartar is endorsing the bill, only he will pass the entry. There will be no entry in the books of Bhagwan. And on the due date, 18th of March, on the due date, 18th of March, Bhagwan will make the payment, BP account debit to cash or bank. On due date, Bhagwan will make the payment and this payment is made to Ratna. This payment is made to the endorsee. So there will be no entry in the books of Droy, in the books of Kartar. Droy किसको पेमेंट करेगा? एंडोर्सी को पेमेंट करेगा. भगवान will make payment to endorsee to Ratna. So there will be no entry in the books of Kartar on 18th of March. Is it clear, everyone? And yes, Manas, you are absolutely correct. Manas, Ratna will receive money. So in the books of Ratna, you will pass the journal entry, cash or bank account debit to bills receivable. ये क्वेश्चन सबको समझ आया? Yes or no, guys? Clear? And those who have already done, it's well and good, guys. Keep performing like this and it will help you definitely in your exams. So now it's time for some fun. So again, I will be asking you some riddles. But before that, let me take a doubt. So Balkaran, now you can ask your doubt, beta. A very good evening, Anurag Sharma. बालकरण प्लीज आस्क इट आउट क्विकली. मैम अगर हमने किसी को बिल एंडोर्स कर दिया और हमें डिस्काउंट रिसीव हुआ हमारे एंडोर्सी से, मैम ड्यू डेट पर बिल डिसऑनर हो गया तो हमें जो डिस्काउंट रिसीव हुआ था उसको कैंसिल की एंट्री आएगी? बिल्कुल आएगी बेटा. द डिस्काउंट रिसीव विल बी कैंसिल्ड. तो जो आपको डिस्काउंट मिला था वो डिसऑनर के टाइम पे कैंसिल हो जाएगा. जो आपने डिस्काउंट रिसीव क्रेडिट किया था अब वो डेबिट हो जाएगा. आई होप योर डाउट इज क्लियर नाउ. हाय कुमकुम. नो, इट इज नॉट रिबेट मनस. अगर आप अपने एंडोर्सी को bill endorse कर रहे हो and you're getting a discount, that is only discount. Rebate is at the time of retirement. Rebate and discount is different. अलग से एंट्री नहीं, आप उसको कंबाइन एंट्री भी कर सकते हो. यू विल ओनली रिवर्स द एंट्री. जब आपने एंडोर्सी को बिल एंडोर्स किया होगा तो एंट्री करी होगी रत्ना डेबिट टू BR to discount received, and when the bill is dishonored you will pass the entry BR account debit discount received debit to Ratna. You can see discount received is cancelled, you have now debited it. So same entry is passed, there is no need to pass a different entry. Amount will remain same, Manas, full amount ही रहेगा बेटा. Okay, so here we have the first riddle for you. And the first question is, what word of 5 letters has 1 left when 2 are removed? कौन सा ऐसा वर्ड है जिसमें 5 लेटर्स होते हैं और अगर आप 2 लेटर्स हटा दो so one will be left? Hi Amrita. So what word of 5 letters has 1 left if 2 letters are removed? There is no word like noon. So we have already got the answer. Well done, Amrita. Yes, Pallavi. आप उसको दिखा भी सकते हो, नहीं भी दिखाओगे तो again it's good. जरूरी नहीं है दिखाना, आप उसको skip भी कर सकते हो. So the word is stone. If you remove the 2 words, 1 will be left. So it was stone. So congratulations Amrita, and well done to others as well. The first was Amrita to answer this. But no one, we don't write it like this, na. It is not a word. It is 2 separate words, Manas. But good try. And next one is easier. So the next riddle is, okay, so here we have the answer, and coming on to the next riddle. The next riddle is, what is so fragile that saying its name break it? कौन सी ऐसी चीज है जो इतनी फ्रेजाइल है कि आप अगर उसका नाम लोगे तो वो टूट जाएगी? हाय लविश. Balkaran, great. Phone is also correct. Yes, it is silence. This is so fragile that if we say silence, अगर हम silence भी बोलेंगे, then also it will break the silence. So yes, the answer was silence, and you all have answered it correct. Congratulations Amrita, Priya, Upender, Anurag and everyone. Thank you Lavish, thank you so much. Okay, now starting with the today's session, तो चलिए अब पढ़ाई शुरू कर देते हैं, and it's time to continue our chapter Bills of Exchange. So, what is the topic for today's session? क्या करने वाले हैं? So today we are going to learn what is bill sent for collection. Bill sent for collection क्या होता है, क्या मतलब होता है? So let's move to the topic now. First, I will be giving you an example to explain the scenario, to explain you the situation, and then we will move to the practical part. So please be attentive, guys. Okay. Niharika, right now I can't tell you when it will be because we haven't planned it right now. So this is Anurag and this is Amrita. Now Anurag drew a bill on Amrita for 2 months. He drew a bill on her for 2 months. Now Anurag is so busy in his business. He is so busy. He don't have the time to go to her place and collect the money. He don't have that much time. बहुत ज़्यादा busy है, उसके पास time ही नहीं है. So what will happen? If the drawer is so busy, then what he can do is he will go to the bank. He will go to the bank and he will send the bill to the bank. He is sending the bill to bank. Now what will happen? वो बहुत ज़्यादा busy था, so he is giving instructions to the bank that please collect the money on my behalf from Amrita. So please collect the money on the due date on my behalf from Amrita. So what will happen? Bank will represent the bill to Amrita. Bank will represent the bill to Amrita and bank will collect the money. Bank is collecting the money and this money will be deposited in Anurag bank account. This amount will be deposited in his bank account. ये पैसा कहाँ जाएगा? Bank will deposit the same in his bank account. So bank is doing a favor for you. If you are busy, you can send the bill to the bank. Bank will represent the bill to Roy and it will collect money on your behalf. वो पैसा collect करके आपके bank account में डाल देगा. So this is sending the bill to the bank for collection. Bank is collecting money on your behalf. So is this clear? What is bill sent to bank for collection? Manas, the amount will be credited either on due date or before or after. Normally after, but it can be before also. So bank will give you advice. Bank will send you a notice that when the money is collected, if no notice is received from bank, it means you have received it on the due date. But it may happen that you have received it before or if you have received it later. बैंक कुछ चार्ज करेगा क्योंकि कोई भी फ्री की सर्विसेज तो प्रोवाइड नहीं करता. So bank may charge some amount, but that is not in your syllabus. You're welcome, Anurag. Because bank will go to Amrita na, Upender, bank is representing the bill to Amrita. So Amrita has to pay to bank. बैंक का एजेंट अमृता के पास जाएगा. बैंक एजेंट will go to Amrita and will ask the money. Understood, guys? Yes or no? Yes, Lavesh, you can ask it. I'm not getting your question, Manas. There's nothing like current account holder in your syllabus, and bank will not charge anything in your syllabus. When the bill sent to bank will not charge anything because that is not in your syllabus. Yes, Minecraft, you can also ask your doubt. Varsha, this is the definition what I have explained to you. This was the definition. Bank will, after receiving it will give you no receipt. Anurag, it will give you nothing. So guys, if the topic is clear to you, then please show some love and like the video. Jaldi se jao, go and hit the like button and do share it with your friends. So I'm waiting for all of you to like the video and to share it with your friends. Okay, Rathor? So here you can see the meaning now. Please pay attention. Don't write unnecessary messages, comments. Otherwise, you will get blocked. Please pay attention, everyone. When a bill is sent to the bank for collection with instructions, it is known as bill sent for collection. When you are sending the bill to the bank for collecting the money, it is known as bill sent for collection. Karamveer, we will be most probably starting class 12 classes after 1st of January. So this is the meaning of bill sent for collection, and I have explained it thoroughly with the help of example. Now, what will be the accounting treatment? What will be the accounting treatment when the bill is sent to the bank for collection? So let's see the journal entries now. This is drawer. This is drawee. So first of all, the goods are sold. So the entry will be drawee account debit to sales. The goods are sold, drawee account debit to sales. Ronak sir, please block this Minecraft player. And drawee is purchasing goods, so the entry will be purchase account debit to drawer. Then drawer will draw the bill. So when the bill will be drawn, the entry will be BR account debit to drawee. And drawee will accept the bill, so entry will be drawer account debit to BP. So this is the entry for bill drawn. BR account debit to drawee, drawer account debit to BP. Now, the drawer is sending the bill to the bank for collection. Drawer is sending the bill to the bank for collection. So the entry will be bill sent for collection account debit to BR. Bill sent for collection account debit to BR. And at this time, there will be no entry in the books of drawing. There will be no entry in the books of drawing. And on the due date, drawee will make the payment. BP account debit to bank. He is making payment to the bank. So BP account debit to bank. And drawer is receiving money in the bank account. Bank account debit to bill sent for collection. So these are the entries when the bill is sent to the bank for collection. So drawer will pass the entry bill sent to bank for collection account debit to BR. At this time, there will be no entry in the books of drawing. And on the due date, drawee will make the payment, BP account debit to bank, and drawer will receive the payment, bank account debit to bill sent for collection. Now tell me, are these entries clear to everyone? Because it is your asset, Stuti, you will be receiving money in future from this bill sent for collection. It is your asset, therefore it is debited. Amount is receivable from bank in future. Anything receivable is your asset. Clear, guys? Okay. So here you can see the answers. We have provided the journal entries in the notes as well. These are the two entries in the books of drawer. Bill sent for collection debit to BR. Bank account debit to bill sent for collection. And this is the entry in the books of drawee when the payment is made. BP account debit to cash or bank. So I hope that these journal entries are clear to everyone and we are ready to solve the questions. So are you ready to solve the questions with me? Yes or no? Yes, definitely we are doing questions related to the topic. Just a second. Yeah. Absolutely ready. Okay, so let's see the first question and here you have it on the screen. Mohan Singh draws a bill on Jagat. Now in this question, no dates are mentioned. कोई भी date mention नहीं है. So you will not write down the dates. Mohan is a drawer and Jagat is a drawee. Sorry, Jagat is drawee. Now, the question is, Mohan Singh draw a bill for rupees 1000 payable 2 months after date. So Mohan is drawing the bill. The entry will be BR account debit to Jagat. How much? 1000, 1000. And Jagat is accepting the bill. So entry will be Mohan account debit to bills payable. It will be 1000 and 1000. So this is the entry for bill drawn and bill accepted. After that, immediately after its acceptance, Mohan Singh sent the bill to his bank for collection. Mohan sent the bill for collection. So, bill sent for collection account debit to BR. Bill sent for collection account debit to BR. And there will be no entry in the books of Jagat. There will be no entries in the books of Jagat. And after that, 1 minute. After that, on the due date, after 2 months, Jagat will make the payment, BP account debit to cash or bank. BP account debit to bank, not cash, because he will make the payment to the bank. So after 2 months, Jagat will make the payment, BP account debit to bank 1000 and Mohan will receive the payment, bank account debit to bill sent for collection. So these are the 3 entries. So congratulations Sumit, Suruchi, Upender, Manas, Anurag. Well then guys, you all have answered the question correct. So is this question clear to everyone? Yep, Babi, yep, Balkaran, Nazia, Siruchi, Anurag, Sumit. Okay, so let me show you the solution now. And here you can see these are the books of Mohan. There are three entries. BR to Jagat, then bill sent for collection to BR, and bank to bill sent for collection. And there will be 3 entries in the books of Jagat. Okay, there will be 2 entries. Mohan to BP when he accepted the bill. There will be no entry in the books of Jagat when the bill is sent to the bank for collection by the Mohan. And when he will make the payment on due date, the entry will be BP debit to bank. Yes, you can ask your doubt, Balkaran. तभी तो हम यहाँ आते हैं स्तुति टॉपिक्स को इजी बनाने के लिए. हाय राकेश. हाय अनुभव. If date will be given, you will write dates also. No difference will be there. The entries will remain the same. Right now you are leaving the date column blank. If dates are given, you will mention the dates also. You will calculate the due date also. That's it. There will be no difference when dates are given. The same entries will be passed at that time also. Balkaran, I am waiting for your doubt, beta. Babi, what is rebate? We will be doing that in the next class. In next class, we will do retirement of bill, and at that time, I will be explaining you the meaning of rebate. So do join me in the next class. So guys, if you want to attend more such live classes with me, or if you are facing any of these problems, you are having doubts, you have no conceptual clarity, or you want to solve more questions like this, you want to solve assignments with me, or if you are lagging behind in your syllabus, and if you want to have a revision plan, then for all these benefits, you can join our live and interactive classes. You can join Vedantu Pro, where we will be teaching you the entire syllabus of all the subjects. So if you are joining our live and interactive courses, then we will be conducting live online classes with high level quizzes. Also, you will get all your doubts solved instantly. You can ask all your doubts in the live classes and we will be answering all your doubts. Not only this, we will cover the entire syllabus with the help of handwritten notes, with the help of topic-wise assignments. Also, we will conduct mock tests and we will be conducting regular tests so that we can improve your percentage. So all these benefits are provided only at Vedantu and at flat 10% discount. And from tomorrow, we will be providing you flat 50% discount for some limited period. So the Christmas sale is going to begin from tomorrow and you will be getting flat 50% discount. So if you want to grab huge discount on these courses, then you can use our code SCPRO. So what you have to do is you have to go to the link in the description box. So this is the description box, you can see, and you have to click on the description. So below the video, this is your description box. यहाँ पे आपको click करना है open description. This is open description. So on the right hand side, the description box will come. Then you have to scroll down. तो यहाँ पे आपको एक लिंक मिलेगा, CBSE Commerce Term 1, Term 2. This is the link. Click on this link. When you will click on the link, you will come to our website. So when you come to our website, scroll down. And when you will scroll down, this portal will come. So यहाँ से आप हमारा प्रो सब्सक्रिप्शन खरीद सकते हैं. You can take either Pro Lite or Pro Classic. The prices of Pro Lite is 11,699 for 1 year for your entire term 2, and the prices of Pro Classic is 13,499 for the entire term 2, in which we are providing you all the 4 subjects. So if you want to grab huge discount, then go and use my code SCPRO. Varsha beta, if you were listening attentively to me, I have already answered this question before to some other student, that it is not mandatory to write no entry. You can leave it blank. It is not important to write no entry in your exam. अगर बैंक ने ड्रॉर को डिफरेंट डेट पे नोटिफाई किया है, तो यू विल पास द एंट्री ऑन दैट पर्टिकुलर डेट बालकरण, जिस भी डेट को बैंक ने नोटिफाई किया है. You will not pass the entry on due date. You will pass the entry in the books of drawer on the date on which he was notified. Got it, बालकरण? जिस भी दिन उसको एडवाइस या नोटिफिकेशन मिलेगी, उसी दिन एंट्री पास होगी. Now coming on to our question number 2, guys. तो चलिए देखते हैं हमारा अगला question. What will be the journal entries? So there are 2 parties in the books, Amit and Sumit. So one party is Amit, another party is Sumit. The question is, Amit sold goods for rupees 20,000 on credit on 1st of January. So on 1st of January, Amit sold goods to Sumit. Sumit account debit to sales 20,000. And Sumit is purchasing goods. Purchase account debit to Amit 20,000. After that, Sumit, yes, आप क्वेश्चन में आ गए हो. So Amit drew a bill of exchange upon Sumit for the same amount for 3 months. So Amit is drawing a bill on Sumit. BR account debit to Sumit 20,000. And Sumit will accept the bill. So Amit account debit to BP, to bills payable 20,000 and 20,000. Now the bill is drawn for 3 months. So starting from 1st January, 3 months will get over on 1st April, February, March, April. In 1st April, you will add 3 grace days. So your due date is 4th of April. This is your due date. Now it is said that Sumit accepted the bill and returned it to Amit. Sumit met his acceptance on maturity. Record the following journal entries under the following circumstances. Now please pay attention, everyone. Amit retained the bill, and on March 31st, Amit sent the bill for collection. So on 31st March, Amit sent the bill for collection. So bill sent for collection debit to BR 20,000. Bill sent for collection debit to BR. And on 31st March, there will be no entry in the books of Sumit. सुमित की बुक्स में कोई भी एंट्री नहीं होगी. And on the due date 4th of April, Sumit will make the payment. On 4th of April, Sumit will make the payment. BP account debit to bank account. BP account debit to bank account 20,000. But bank advice was received on 5th of April. Amit received the advice on 5th of April. So he will pass the entry on 5th of April, not on 4th of April. Bank account debit to BR 20,000. He will pass the entry on 5th April, not on 4th April. Because advice was received on 5th. So this is your solution, guys. Is this clear to everyone? Vaishya, it will not happen, beta. He will always return the bill. There is nothing like that. He will not return the bill. That type of question will never come because it does not exist. Yeah, sorry. It will be bank to bill sent for collection. Thank you, Sumit. Thank you for telling. Nazia, it will be bill sent for collection. स्तुति बेटा रिटेन बिल किया लेकिन 31st मार्च को ड्यू डेट से पहले तो उसने सेंड कर दिया ना. He is not retaining the bill till the due date. So why you will pass the entry for bill retained? उसने बिल रिटेन टिल डेट ऑफ मैच्योरिटी नहीं किया. So you will only pass the entry for bill sent for collection. रिटेन बिल की एंट्री तब पास होती है जब वो ड्यू डेट तक रिटेन करता है, लेकिन वो तो हुआ ही नहीं. ड्यू डेट से पहले ही उसने बिल सेंड कर दिया बैंक को. So I hope this question is clear to everyone. So here we can see the solution. These are the books of Amit. You can see we have passed the entry for sales, for the bill drawn, for the bill sent to bank for collection, and for the advice received from bank on 5th April. So these are the 4 entries in the books of Amit. And there will be 3 entries in the books of Sumit. Bill accepted, purchases, bill accepted, and the payment made. So this was it for today, guys. Now we have completed the session. So balle, we have completed all the 4 cases of bills of exchange. Now tomorrow we will be doing retirement of bill. In the next class we will do retirement of bill. So it's time for to see the homework. And it's a request, जो बच्चे homework नहीं करते, please do that, guys. So here you can see the question again. This is a very important question. So you all have to try it, because in this question we will be covering all the 4 cases. This is a recap of the overall sessions we have done till now. So please do this question. And the next class will be on retirement of bill. I will be telling that in the next class, manas, not right now. We will also do dishonor of bill. Don't worry, Ayushi. We will be doing that also. So stay tuned for the upcoming classes. And if you want to become a pro in all the subjects, if you want to score good marks in all the subjects, then you can go and join our Vedantu Pro. You can enroll yourself for Vedantu's live and interactive classes, in which we will be conducting live online classes with high level quizzes. Also, you can ask all your doubts in the live classes and we will solve out all those doubts. And we will cover the entire syllabus of all the subjects: accounts, eco, business studies and mathematics, with the handwritten notes, with topic-wise assignments. Also, we will conduct mock test series. And we will be providing you thousands of micro courses for absolutely free. So what else do you need, guys? So we are providing flat 10% discount right now, and from tomorrow our Christmas sale will be live, where you will be getting huge discount on all our courses. So if you want to grab all our courses at huge discount, then go and use my code SCPRO. So what you have to do is आपको जाना है YouTube पर. You have to go to the description box of this video. You have to click on the description box below this video, and when you will open it, there is a link, CBSE Commerce Term 1, Term 2. This is the link. So when you will click on this link, you will come to our website. And when you come to our website, आपको scroll down करना है, scroll down, and from here you can choose your plan. You can either take Pro Lite at 11,699, or you can take Pro Classic 13,499. These are the prices for entire term 2. But you can also take a trial for 15 days. If you want to try these courses, then you can also get a trial for 15 days of all the subjects at only 899. Same, you can take the trial of Pro Classic at 1,170. Now, what is the difference between Pro Lite and Pro Classic? क्या फर्क है दोनों में? क्यों Pro Lite ले, क्यों Pro Classic ले? In Pro Lite, you are getting the first 4 features: live classes, test series and analysis, assignments and notes, doubt solving during class. But in case you want to ask doubts on Vedantu mobile app, you want to ask doubts after the classes, then for that you have to take Pro Classic. Doubt solving on mobile app is not available in Pro Lite. So these are the differences. So go to the description box, go to the link term 1 and term 2, and from there you can take your Pro subscription at huge discount by using our code SCPRO. So Varsha, for promissory note, you have to see our session number 2 that we have already covered in session number 2 of this chapter. So please check out our channel. You will be getting a recorded class on promissory note. And if you guys are new to our channel, or if you want more such live classes with me, then please go and subscribe our channel right now. Go and hit that red icon. And I hope that all of you have liked the video and you all have shared it with your friends. If not yet, then jaldi se jao. Please like the video and do share it. So now I will see you all in the next class with retirement of bill. Till then, stay home, stay safe and stay healthy, guys. Thank you everyone. Thank you so much for joining this session and for giving us your valuable time. Now, bye-bye, good night, have sweet dreams, and wishing you all a very Merry Christmas in advance. Bye-bye, everyone.